it's Jack Haffner here from Go-To for Gardening, and today I'm going to show you the Wiggly Wormer composter, which enables you to make your own very good compost and fertilizer from your leftover scraps at home. So, this is what arrived in the post this morning. There's the box, here's the composter. It's got 3 compartments, a lid, take off the lid, inside all the paraphernalia, moisture mat. I think these are the worms. We'll have a look at those later. Comes with a trowel, which is very nice. These are the legs to fit on the bottom. This is a brick for starting off the medium for the worms. We soak this in a bucket of water, which we'll show later. Here are the instructions, very clearly laid out. And here is some worm treat, which is added every now and again. And this is some anti-acid lime mix, which helps keep the pH towards neutral, stops it from becoming too acidic, which the worms don't like. The bottom tray is actually where liquid gathers, which can be used as a very good liquid nutrient for tomatoes or for houseplants. Soak the bedding block in a bucket of warm water for about an hour, and this will create a medium which is a good bedding to get the worm culture started off. Later, now the bedding medium is ready for to put into the composter. The composter, as you can see, we only need two compartments for now. You've got the bottom sump which collects the liquid, and I've got the first tray which we're going to put the worm bedding into. So lay it about 2 inches thick. And there we go. We've done now a good layer for the worms, and now we're going to put the worms in. Here we've got the bag of worms, cut them open, and our wriggly friends are about to go in to their new home. Check there's none left in the bag. And here is a nice layer of composting worms, which are going to thrive in this compost and make compost for us for many years, hopefully. I'm going to leave the lid off because worms are light sensitive, so the light can encourage them to burrow into the medium there. And then once they're burrowed in, then I'm going to add some of my first compost food for them, a few vegetable peelings and stuff. The worms have now all disappeared. I've sprinkled on a bit of food waste, some eggshells, carrot peels, a bit of bread, a bit of cucumber, and now I'm just going to add in a little bit of the anti-acid lime mix to some acidic conditions, just a little bit, and I'm going to put in some worm treats to give them a welcoming into their new home. Simply pop the lid on. I'm going to put it outside, and we're going to check it every couple of days, put a bit more food in, and it will hopefully start seeing compost within a few